Okay, see once what are the methods are there. Linked list. Linked list class extends list interface only. Linked list extends list interface. Again, it interface, right? Collection. What are the methods? Main methods of linked list. How to check the main methods of interface? Java.util.linked list. Yeah, check it once. What are the methods? We have many methods, right? In the linked list, you know, guys, what is the linked list, right? First node address we store into second node. Second node points to third node. That is a linked list. Okay, you know what is linked list, right? For example, first student object is here, second student object is here, third student object is here. What is the linked list? First will point to the second object, second points to third object, like last it won't point to anything. That is a linked list. First object, every node it stores the next node address. That is a linked list concept. That is a linked list. Okay, first object stores the next node address, second object, second node stores the third node object, third node it won't store anything. Okay, what is the use of linked list? We can inserting is possible. In array list it's not possible, right? It takes a lot of time complexity. If you want to insert, for example, guys, see, we can insert here. That is, what is the use of array list? Array list uses random access. It takes less time. If you want to access the elements in less time, use array list classes. Okay, if you want to insert delete operations, we cannot do. They are the cost effective while working with the link array list. For example, array list, what will happen here? See, what is the disadvantage of array list, right? For example, if you want to add an element, what will happen? For example, this is the first element, second elements, third and fourth, fifth. For example, we have elements like this: 1, 2, 4. We have 5. I want to insert 3, guys. For example, I want to insert 3. If you want to insert 3, what will happen, guys? Now we have to move the 4 to this position, 5 to this position, right? That has to happen. 5 has to move this location, 5 has to move this position, 4 has to move this position. Okay, for example, if you have only 4 elements, that is okay, guys. Here we can insert 3. For example, 1 crore elements are there. I want to insert at second position. How many operations we have to do, right? Operations, right? That is cost effective. When we are working with the array list, inserting is a cost effective. Okay, if we insert a last position, that is easy. Last second position also it's easy. If 1 crore elements are there, I want to insert here this position. That is a very too much cost effective, right? That's why if you want to insert the elements, array list is not suitable. Okay, only for accessing its purpose, we use an array list. When it comes to linked list, I want to insert the element here, right? Just no need of moving, right? No need of moving. Just we can insert. We can break this connection. Just we insert, right? If you want to insert delete operations, we have to go for linked list. If you want to retrieve the elements in the linked list, that is a difficult case. For example, if you want first element, we get for 1 second time. If you want second elements, it takes 2 seconds. Why? Because we have to traverse from first node to second node only. Why? Because second node address where you have in the first node, third node address where you have in the second node. Through this address only we can go. Okay, if first node, if take 1 second, 1 crore elements, 1 crore elements, if you want, how many seconds it takes? 1 crore. For example, if I want to that element after 1 year, it shows that element is right found. It shows that element. That is a right. It's a cost effective if you want to retrieve. Okay, if you want to insert, it's not cost effective. That is a use of a linked list, right? Inserting, deleting operations are not cost effective. Okay, if you want insert and delete operations are there, go for linked list, right? Yeah, how to use a linked list class? See this, we have methods, right? Size method is there. Linked list you can implement like this. Linked list size, add index position comma object, and remove remove of index, and add first, add last. We can add first, we can add last. These methods we can write add first and remove last methods also. And clear also. Clear, it removes all the methods. That is the linked list class, right? How to implement the linked list? We check it now. See, class linked list demo, class linked list demo. Program execution starts from main, linked list main, string arguments. Yeah, use the linked list class. Now I want to use a linked list demo. L equals to new linked list. Okay, now size method. Can I use size and those method? Yes, we can call size. What is size of linked list? Okay, L dot size. We can call this method L dot size. And is empty method is there or not? Call is empty method. Now I want to call is empty, whether elements is there or not. We can call that method. Okay, and elements, is there any elements or not? We can print plus elements. Or how to print elements? Save linked list demo, demo.java. Okay, how to call this? Import java.util.star. Linked list extends implements the list interface. Okay, once check that methods, see java. How to compile it, right? Linked list demo. Java class name is what? Linked list demo. One second. Size is 0, empty true. Elements is okay. No elements are there. How to add? We can add different position. L dot add of first element I am inserting new integer of, right, 10. Okay, L dot we can add one more element, add of see which position we want to insert, new integer. Second element also I am inserting 20, that is. Now L dot add of second position I want to insert again. Okay, or first position I want to insert first position, or nothing but index position, new integer of 15. Yeah, one check the elements. What did you add first, right? One check it. Linked list demo, Java linked list. First we added what? 10, 15, 20. Okay, that is 10 first you added, guys. First we added what? 10. Next 20 added. First 10. The 10 will add here, 20 will add here, right? See this. First 10 added, 20 added. First 10 added, 20 added. Next, which method I added? First position, again index position, first position add 15. Now if I add that method, what happens, right? Now 15, it goes to this inserted, that is, right? The 10, 20, that is moved to this location. This has moved, right? This 20 has moved to this location, 50 added here. That internally that implementation happened, right? That 15 added, that is insert code, right? That is not moving, that is inserted, like previously we discussed, right? Same like I inserted like this, not like array concept. Okay, yeah, next we can add other elements also. If you want to add first, I want to add one more element. We have L dot add first method, call add first method, new integer of, right, 5. Now 5 I want to add first position, it will add 5. L dot add last position also. Okay, new integer of 30. Now I want to add 30. See, what is the elements first, right? 5 next, 5, 10, right? Right, first 10, 20, next 1. Okay, we added again, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, right? 30. We get elements like this. Compile, once execute. See this, 5, 10, 15, 20, 30. Clear? like this we can add the elements, guys. Same way we can remove the elements also. Okay, how to remove the elements? We have that elements remove. At first, what are the element will be removed? Remove that element. Remove of index. Which index will be, right? If you give in index that element, right? Okay, first if I call the remove method, for example, I want to call the remove method, right? Which element will be removed? System.out.println. Did you specify or not? Is there an empty method? Remove. Check it. Plus l dot remove. Can I call this method? Okay, if I call our is parameter is required. Okay, that method is there or not? We check it. Java p java dot util dot linked list. Which element will be removed? We check it. Is there remove method? Right, remove method of int is there. Remove of int. We have to use int. Is there any other? Get first, get last. Remove first, remove last. Okay. We don't have that method. Remove of without parameter. Right here, there is no remove of method. That's why parameter is integer parameter. Which element you want to remove? I want to remove second element. Okay, second index. What is second index element? Previously checked, right? One check the linked list demo. What is 15, right? That element will be removed or not? We check it. We call l dot remove of linked list demo. Java class name is what? Linked list demo. See once. 15 is deleted. Okay, if you want to check if that element is there or not, after removing display elements again, l dot remove all ones, linked list demo, linked list demo. See this, that 15 is removed. Clear how to remove the elements also, right? Now how to retrieve the elements? Is there any method is there or not? We check it. Java p java dot util dot how to retrieve the elements, linked list. Okay, iterator interface is there or not? Yes, we have two interfaces. Iterate interface, we call this method descending iterator. We can call this method. Using this method we can iterator object will be created. List iterator also. Is there any other methods also? We can check it. Here we can call that method. We check it. You have to call this descending iterator method. If you call this descending iterator method, iterator object will be created. Okay, now we see how to retrieve the elements. Retrieving elements using iterator object. Then how to create object? Iterator I equals to call that method l dot descending iterator. That method name is what? Descending iterator. Call this method. Okay, you know right methods. What are the method? While of as next I dot as next. We have this method as next. What is the as next? Other elements is there or not? If elements are there, then 4 times it is true. Okay, first time it is true. It cursor will be first position. If you want that element, I dot next. That element will be printed. It moves the cursor to next element. That is I dot next. Yeah, we check it once. How to retrieve the elements? We can check linked list demo.java. Java linked list demo. See, first it is retrieving the elements, right? See like this in reverse order. Okay, if you want also we can display forward direction also. We can descending iterator. That is descending iterator. Is there ascending normal order it displays? We check it. Java.util linked list. If there we can use the list iterator class or list iterator interface also we can take that. Okay, descending interface iterator we have taken. We can use this list iterator. In the list iterator we have both, right? We can do forward direction and backward direction also. Okay, Depends upon which one you want, you can take that interfaces, right? List iterator interface is there. Using that we can retrieve the elements one by one. You can take list iterator, call this method, we get the element as next as previous. Using that method we can retrieve the elements. Clear? Yeah. Now we discuss another class, that is what vector class is there. Yeah, what is the use of vector class? Now see, vector class. Okay, what is vector class? What it is extending, right? Java p java dot util dot vector class. Yeah, what is vector? It is having also some methods. See, it is a extends abstract list that implements list and random access. Random accessing possible. You understood that? Easy to access. It takes less time. Clonable. That object is clonable, right? And also is serializable or not? We check it. That object is serializable. Okay, these are the main differences. Okay, these are the features of those objects, guys. Okay, this object can be serialized. This object can be clonable, random access. But linked list is not a random access. There is no random access, right? It takes a lot of time to retrieve the one crore element. Okay, we have these interfaces. Using that interfaces, we can call the extends which class it is. Abstract list class. In abstract class, abstract list class is what? I want to check that abstract list also. See how to call that abstract list. You want to call abstract list also. What are the methods are there? Yeah, abstract list to it extends abstract collection implements list. Okay, that is implements list only. So we have different methods also. Here also we have methods add, get, set. We have the methods and the list iterator interface is there. Using list iterator interface we can access the elements. Okay, once we check this vector class only, how to retrieve the element. Here we have enumeration interface. Using enumeration interface we can retrieve. Not iterator is there also, we check it. Using enumeration also we can call. Okay, see, we can call the elements so that, and is there a iterator or not? If it is iterator is there, we can call. Iterator also is there, we can using iterator method also we can call. List iterator also is there, and enumeration also is there. Okay, we